mobile upload, guys. And as you see, I have this cute cat. Look at that, kitty. Look at that, kitty. Look at that. Look at that, kitty. Anong mood natin ngayon, kitty? Ano? I guess, ah, chill at ano, ah, parang pakialam sa mga paligid. Ah, mukhang wala naman siyang iniisip masyado, no? I guess she completely chilled. Anyway, we are in my house and look at that. Look at how dirty this looking house. How anyway, it's still organized, but look at that. Yeah, that is the terrible roof. Anyway, I'm leaving here, guys, so you're supposed to enjoy this. And uh, you know this room is actually a room of my brothers. This is double dick, and this is storage room when you can put your stuffs here. And this rest room, you can rest or lie in bed, whatever you want. And this is my bed, and look that it is, undone things, undone, you know clothes. You need to put it on cabinet. And that's where I'm sleeping. Yeah, there's an electric fan here. Look at cat. Look at cat. Yet. Kitty cat.